Tips for build muscles after 40s. As we age, both men and women begin to lose muscular mass. After the age of 30, most persons see a 3% to 5% decline in muscle mass every 10 years. Regretfully, when your muscle mass decreases, your risk of fracturing a bone in a fall also increases. For those who have been diagnosed with sarcopenia, that risk rises. This illness results in a progressive loss of muscle and bone. Anabolic resistance is another reason why it becomes harder for you to maintain your muscle mass beyond 40. All of this does not, however, imply that if you are over 40, you cannot increase your total muscle mass. It is still possible to gain muscle after 40 with the correct exercise routine. Tips are including in this video are efficient ways to add muscle to your body. 1. Unsaturated fatty acids. Although cholesterol is a necessary component of testosterone, excessive cholesterol consumption is not recommended. Rather, prioritize unsaturated fatty acids, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in nuts, plant oils, and salmon. These work better in the body than cholesterol. Now that you know this, it should be obvious that a very low-fat diet doesn't help with muscle gain. 2. Vitamins. Men who are deficient in vitamin D might raise their testosterone levels by taking supplements. In other words, you should receive some sun exposure every day to increase your vitamin D levels and help you develop muscle as you age. You won't necessarily get there via hours of strength training in the gym because you won't be in the sun. B vitamins are among the other vitamins that are important for the health of muscles. 3. Increase protein intake. People need more protein as they get older, but they require less energy overall. This is due in part to the body's decreased capacity to use protein. After the age of 40, eating enough protein becomes more and more important for developing muscle. For muscle fiber to grow, it needs protein. The body produces a portion of this protein through the synthesis of muscle proteins. The body converts amino acids into muscle protein using this method. Getting more protein from food is beneficial for protein synthesis. 4. Limited sugar and alcohol. Insulin is released by the body following sugar consumption because it promotes the development of adipose tissue that absorbs testosterone. This hormone has the potential to indirectly lower testosterone levels. This implies that being overweight in general is a barrier as well. Alcohol functions in a similar way. It prevents the growth of muscles. 5. HIIT trainings. The body may have a stress reaction from endurance sports or strength training that involves lots of repetitions without using a lot of resistance. Muscle development slows down and cortisol is secreted. Consequently, high-intensity training is a part of the perfect muscle-building workout regimen. Even testosterone is released during short, hard training sessions. That's great, so your body naturally produces the circumstances it needs to gain muscle. You have a great basis for muscle gain if you incorporate these exercises into a full-body workout and do so 2 or 3 times during the week. Most, if not all, of your muscle groups will be worked in a way that is both efficient and productive in terms of time. When using testosterone supplements or consuming anything that claims to aid in muscle growth, proceed with caution. Consult a doctor about any potential adverse effects. To challenge your body, switch up your workout program frequently. You will be able to keep gaining muscle mass as a result. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.